Hey, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, taking a look at this room right here. Now, this has just been cleaned, and you can see it looks pretty fresh and nicely cleaned, except for some spots right in there. And that's actually dog hair that has been pulled out. And just what's kind of crazy about this carpet, and I wanted to show you, is that sometimes dog hair gets embedded in the carpet so deeply that even after vacuuming it, and this was pre-vacuumed by the owner, and then I came through and vacuumed it 2 more times before cleaning it. But sometimes the scrubbing process of cleaning a carpet will draw even more hair out of the carpet. So right now it looks pretty good. I did go back over it again with a vacuum after pulling those extra hairs out, and then raked it out and groomed it so that you can see what that looks like in the end. But I just wanted to show you how it looked. Now this scene right here, this is where I'm demonstrating an agitation process on the stairway. So the stairs needed to be cleaned as well, and so we vacuumed, then pre-sprayed, and this is a good way to scrub using our solution and get all the solution mixed in with the dirt and soil so that we can then extract it with our cotton bonnet. And so I was just testing it there to make sure that I had enough solution and it was damp enough on the fibers. So anyway, this was a pretty nice job. Did the whole house basically. We did all of the upstairs, did the stairs going upstairs. There was 4 rooms upstairs, 3, the basement, downstairs, stairs going down into the downstairs, and then also another kind of a family room area with all of it had tons of dog hair fiber all throughout. And so it was quite a job, but fortunately the carpet was in decent shape. As you can see here, it's not terribly soiled, so the agitation process there just helps fluff it up. And anyway, now here's another scene. This is actually using the Tops Odyssey. This is our extracting machine, and so the pads on the bottom will pull all the dirt and soil out of the carpet, and you can barely see some of the dog hair getting kicked up there. This is one of the rooms that wasn't too bad. It was more of a guest room, so there wasn't too much in the room with dog hairs, but just working my way around, getting as close as I can to the edges, but being careful not to hit anything or bump anything. This machine works amazing. The Tops machine that I have right here, this Trinity machine, is one of the best carpet cleaning low moisture machines that I've ever used. I've used a couple different kinds, and this by far is the best one in my opinion. It has 3 different rotations that it uses. It rotates, oscillates, and tamps up and down, giving you a really good cleaning process on the carpet. So now, just doing a quick walkthrough here. I raked it out. There's a couple footsteps where I was walking through, but I wanted to show you the end and how nice it looked after it was vacuumed. And we got probably 95 or higher % of the dog hairs out, which is pretty good. That's a pretty good ratio to get that much out of dog hairs out of carpet. Again, this was unusual in that it had so much hair that just continued to pop up over and over, but it came out really well. Used a neutral floor cleaning solution or neutral carpet cleaning solution. So the good thing about neutral is it does not leave any residue. Look at how nice that came out. There was some stains there beforehand. This just had some dirt by the bedside, but it really looks clean and fresh. Not an overpowering odor in the solutions that I use. If you do want a stronger deodorizer, I can add that in, but that is an option for anyone who wants that. Take a look coming back down the stairs, how nice they look. And so if you're interested in getting your carpet clean, give us a call at Classic Touch Floor Care.